Are you trying to choose between Ipfire and Pfsense? It can be tough to decide. In this video, we'll compare these two popular firewall solutions. Both Ipfire and Pfsense help protect your network. They act as barriers against threats and keep your data safe. But they do have some differences. Let's start with Ipfire. It's known for being user friendly. The interface is simple, making it easy for beginners. eFire offers a range of features like VPN support, intrusion detection, and web filtering. It's great for small to medium sized networks. Now, let's look at pfSense. This tool is more advanced and offers powerful features. It's highly customizable, which is perfect for tech savvy users. pfSense supports multiple WAN connections, load balancing, and advanced routing. It's often used in larger environments. So, what sets them apart? First, the ease of use. eFire is easier for beginners, while pfSense requires more technical knowledge. Next, customization. pfSense offers more options, but eFire is simpler to set up. When it comes to features, pfSense has a wider range. It supports more plugins and add-ons. eFire has essential features, but is more limited in that area. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both tools are open source and free. However, pfSense has paid options for additional support and features. eFire also offers support, but it's more straightforward. In conclusion, if you are new to networking, eFire is a solid choice. It's easy to use and set up. On the other hand, if you're experienced and need advanced features, pfSense is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.